Well, it is February, and it is time to do a few things around the farm. One of them, trimming apple trees. The other, tapping my maple tree so I can make some delicious maple syrup. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. Oh hey, I didn't see it. What you need for maple syrup is a drill bit, and you want it to be about 5/16. So, we have the 5/16 drill bit, and we have our drill. So, all we need to do is go up to the garage and find our taps. I'm gonna have to clean this project. Oh, it just needs spring cleaning for that. Good. Alright, for the maple syrup, we have our 5/16 drill bit and drill. We have our cap. We have a food grade hose that's going to lead to our food grade bucket. I've drilled a hole through the top, and we are going to collect our sap. So let's get it done. Here we're standing next to this beautiful silver maple. You know, people have been harvesting maple syrup from trees like this for generations. And now it's our turn. Let's start drilling. Alright, so we're going to drill at an angle upwards so the sap naturally flows out. You don't want to go too deep. So we want to drill 1.5 to 2 inches into the tree, not counting the bark. So we're going to go at an upward angle, not too deep from here, but just enough. Here we go. 3. Let's see. Oh, 1, wait. We want to put our bucket here. We want to measure how deep our straw is. Okay, so I'm going to go somewhere right here. And we're going to go. That was about an inch. I would say that's the problem. We got our inch and a half. Now we're going to take this. And it's probably good to have a little hammer. Alright, we're going to lightly hammer this in. That's pretty good. It's pretty solid. Alright, next we're going to take our straw and wash it out because it's been sitting outside for 1.5 years or 2. We're just rinsing this out. Okay, now I'm going to clean the top of the bucket. Now I'm cleaning the sap bucket. Alright guys, we got our clean bucket, we got our clean top, and we got our clean straw. Let's install. Alright, bucket placed good. We'll snap our lid on tight so we don't get any mice. And we gotta have our hole drilled here to fit our straw. We're gonna yam our straw in here. And we got a sealed collection system. Perfect. Now, we're gonna put the straw on the end of this. And as the temperature thaws out during the day and gets cold at night, it's going to create that pumping action, and we're going to get some beautiful sugar sap in this bucket to boil. All right, so we got everything we need for that sweet, sweet maple syrup. Join us next time when we boil up the... Join us next time as we boil the syrup. All right, we're standing next to my apple orchard. As you can see, we got trees that haven't been pruned yet. So what you want to do is you want to get some clean shears, and you don't want to spread disease from like apple tree to apple tree. You want to thin out these branches here, and so I got to peel back my my protective shield. Sorry, buddy. And we are going to start hammering away at these branches. Pretty much, I'm seeing a lot of things going up and not a lot of things moving out. You want like one center leader going straight up, a thick branch going straight up, and then you want little branches, or you know, whatever size branches, going out like sideways from there. So as you can see here, we got several leaders, which is nuts. Looks like the main trunk right here, I mean, I would assume that would be my leader. And then we got another one going straight up. That one's almost probably not even necessary. You have to probably trim that whole massive branch out as I really wanted to. I'm gonna need a thicker cutter though. I don't have the right size cutter with me, so that's a problem. But let's trim up a branch or two here. You know what? It's so hard to decide. Ooh, there's a nasty dead branch here. Let's get rid of that. Boom! Look at that, guys. First cut. They say the first cut is the deepest. There we go. Oh, we got another dead one. So we're gonna snip that. Let's look for dead branches first, and then we'll work our way from there. I think I got... Oh, another... Oh yeah, this one's not looking too healthy, so we're gonna candy that. Boom. And what else? Oh boy. You almost need a ladder at some point. I almost feel like I want to cut this branch off because it's just, there's too much going on. I want to keep this one. Maybe. I hate cutting too much. I really don't want to cut too much. Oh boy. You know what? Trimming apple trees is harder than... It's hard to do. What are you doing to the raccoon? Beans? You have some explaining to do, buddy.
When the sage brings the rite of spring, morning dove and the sparrows sing.
Hard to trim, but as you can see, look at all these trimmings. I've got all these little sticks on the ground. Isn't that great? You see those sticks? Yeah. I did that with this shears. Woo! Well, you know, the sun is setting. Take a look. Take a look at that sun. Sun is setting. A chill is gripping the land and my ungloved hands, and that's pretty much the video, guys. Just a sign that spring is on its way. Trimming apple trees and tapping. Look at that maple tree right there. So stay tuned. Lots of gardening content coming up on the channel.
Super exciting time. 2026 is going to be a good one, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more tips and blunders and fumbles, because I don't know what I'm doing. And that's all right. So as I put away my shears so I don't get stabbed, remember that berries are sweet, but that little thing we call life, the little thing we call life, it is much, much sweeter. This is Daniel signing off. Oh, YouTube? Thanks, you're gonna like this video wherever it's at. This video here, or is it over here? And subscribe. There's a button. Like, consider. All right. See ya.
Man, these little prickly weeds are everywhere. All right. People have been harvesting maple syrup from beautiful trees like. Start over.